I'm Justin, and did you know a Fort Wayne artist raised in this house behind me on Calhoun Street was part of a secret World War II battalion called the Ghost Army? This group of 1,100 soldiers used inflatable tanks, sound effects, radio trickery, and imagination to fool enemy troops on the battlefields of Europe. It is estimated their work saved between 15 and 30,000 lives. Among the ranks of the Ghost Army was Bill Blass, a Fort Wayne native and graduate of Southside High School. He went on to become a famous fashion designer, but his story will have to wait for another Friday. This year, Congress presented surviving Ghost Army veterans and their family members with a Congressional Gold Medal for their unique and distinguished service. Now you know.